In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Shopify payments account is on hold. If your payouts are paused or your account has been placed on hold, this walkthrough will help you understand what to look for and what to do next, step by step, in a clear and practical way. Start by opening your Shopify admin and scanning the homepage for any prominent banners or messages. Shopify usually surfaces urgent information right at the top when there's an issue. Those banners often tell you why the hold was placed and may link to the exact area you need to resolve it. Next, check the payout section in your admin. Look specifically for a banner or message that says something like "transfer failed" or provides instructions for the next steps. That page will often give the most actionable guidance, including prompts to retry a transfer or to update details. There are a few common reasons holds happen, and knowing them will help you fix the problem faster. One frequent cause is a bank or information mismatch. If your address, business name, or bank account details changed or don't match the records Shopify has, you'll need to update them. Be prepared to upload supporting documents such as a recent utility bill, a bank statement, or other proof of address. Make sure the documents clearly show the name and address that match what you enter in Shopify. Verification requests are another common trigger, especially for new accounts or if there's unusual or high-volume activity. If Shopify asks for identity or business verification, submit the requested documents as quickly as possible. Typical requests include a government ID and business registration documents. Fast, accurate responses can often lift a hold within a day or two. Policy violations can also cause holds. If you're selling restricted or unlicensed items, your payments can be paused while Shopify reviews your store. Review Shopify's terms to make sure your product listings comply, and remove or replace any items that might be subject to restriction. When a transfer fails, follow the on-screen prompts in the payouts area. Those prompts are tailored to the specific error and will usually guide you through retrying the transfer or updating bank information. If you don't see any messages in your admin, check your email spam or junk folder for messages from Shopify, since important notices sometimes land there. If you still need help, log into Shopify's Help Center and reach out through live chat, email, or request a callback for personalized assistance. Keeping documentation handy and responding promptly will make resolving holds much smoother.